What's up, y'all? For today's video, I have an amazing showcase for you guys. There's this product that's new on the market, first of its kind. It's just something that I think you guys will love and appreciate and hopefully pour into, you know what I mean? So without dragging this intro on, let's roll the actual intro and get into today's video. So here we have in this discreet packaging something that's going to be a way into the future. And I'm not just saying that. Let me show it to you. View into the future. So this is the latest and greatest dash cam to hit the market. And no, don't click off the video yet. Let me explain to you why this is a view into the future. A few key features that makes this the best dash cam that you could ever get is that it has 360 recording. This thing records 360 degrees. Motion tracking, an f-stop of 1.5 which allows superb night vision, a full featured parking mode, and last but not least, built-in voice assistant. This is some really nice packaging. Let's have a view into the future. Look at what we got here. Hello. All right, so opening up this side door, I believe we have our USB. We have our port charger for the camera itself, along with the USB cables. And we have one more box, which is our hardware kit. USB. We have 3 wires right here, power, ground, and signal. Now we have the camera itself. This is cool. So this is a 360 pivoting camera. So this is pretty cool. Along with the owner manual, which was actually tucked in here. Right there, you guys see the icon for the manual. Right there. Lift up, and then it's right into that little pocket right there. We have these electrostatic stickers right here, which is pretty cool. Have a demonstration of how to install it, and that is super cool. Then we have the dash cam manual, so we can figure out how to wire up our voice command, our signal, and our ground. I am super excited to try this out and give you guys the dopeness of the dopeness. Okay, so we're inside my 2007 Honda Civic. Now it's time to install our 70 360 dash cam. Step 1 in the process, we have to install our electrostatic sticker right under the rear view mirror. Excuse the wiring, but this is just to show you guys how amazing this machine actually is. So we'll turn the car on to accessory 1 since it's on to our cigarette lighter. We come up here and we wait for it to power on. 70 mi. That is super cool. Look at that.
Please connect your app to activate the dash cam.
Once you have the app downloaded, disclaimer, the app is currently in beta mode, okay? So just to put that out there, this is a fairly brand new product. So it's in this beta stages, but we're gonna work through it, baby. We're gonna work through it. So now we have to add a device. This is the one you'd want to click.
Click the power button to
It tells you, it has an icon it's pointing towards the power button. So we hit the power button. Look at that. That's so cool. I have a little video presentation right here. So now that we have our dash cam connected, coming live on the 70 My 360 1-of-1 dash cam. How I look, people? I look good? Do I sound good? Is the recording good? This thing has 360 recording. We can record everything right now. Go ahead and start recording the front of us. Give you guys a 360 panel right now. What's going on? So as you can see, the 70 My dash cam is literally the best dash cam on the market. Over 4,000 people already pre-ordered it. That's saying a lot, especially in this day and age with all this technology. It's the industry's first patent 360 design camera. It has AI motion detection, collision detection. It also is stacked with 24-hour parking surveillance and time-lapse recording. And as you've seen in the night vision, it has an f-stop of 1.5 along with the new PureCell Plus S HDR technology. That is something that my camera doesn't even have. And this camera's expensive. Founded in 2016, 70 My is an industry-leading intelligence company with specialization in dashboard cameras. To this date, they have sold over 1.5 million dash cameras in a single year to over 100+ countries spanning from Europe, North America, and Southeast Asia. 70 My is all about bringing technology to us in the form of just making our everyday life easier. They have also expanded their reach into jump starters for our cars. You know, sometimes we have these dead batteries and things just sometimes don't go as planned. They debuted their first power station in 2021 to meet the growing demand for portable power on the move. It's no surprise that they are leading the game right now when it comes to dash cameras. You guys seen the footage. It's amazing that we have this technology now. What do you guys think about the dash cam? My personal favorite is the 360 rotating thing and the 24-hour surveillance, voice command, AI motion detection. The camera as a whole is my favorite. Let me know what your favorite is. If you guys would like to pre-order your own 70 My dash camera, link down below to where you can make that happen, and also link to their website in case you want to purchase anything else that they offer. Huge thank you to 70 My for sending me out this unit to review. I am very much pleased with this. This is awesome, and I thank you so much.